no blue is not in her.
The wig that I have today is by the company Janet Collection, and it is a little bit of a different type of wig. The name of the wig is Hestina. I have her in the color WC1B Bird for Burgundy, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and the reason it's called a W is because of the parting area. The area where you part, you can part it on one side or you can part it on the other side. And depending on which side you part the wig on, depends on how much of the burgundy color you will see. So what I ended up doing was I went in and I kind of altered this just a little bit. So I'm going to bring it so you can see it. Now, this side here is parted on the left side, and that gives you more of the burgundy color all the way around. Okay. Now, if you were to part it on the other side, and you have to find the parting area here. So if you were to part it on that side and put it over, then you get more of the black. Then you get more of the black and not so much of the burgundy. So let me get this on and I'll be right back to show you how. Okay, this is the unit after I've pretty much altered it. The unit comes straight just like the picture. So it comes just like this. It comes straight. And what I did was I went in and I just added curls to the bottom of it. So I'm going to turn around so you can see. All I did was go around and I just curled it because I didn't want it straight. And that's pretty much all I did. And I did pluck the part. I think I might have over plucked a little bit. I went in and I took hair out of the part area. I am going to go ahead and use some of my BN9 powder, which is this. I'm going to use some of that and put it in the parting area. And I'm doing that just to like blend it in a little bit. Just so it gives a more natural look here. So I think that makes it look a little bit better. So this here is the side that has the color. So if you parted this particular one on the left side, it has more of the color. Now let's try to find which, when I was looking for it, it's kind of hard to find. Let's try to find the black side. Okay. This is the unit on the natural black side. And as you can see, it just has a little bit of the burgundy kind of peeking throughout. If you're not a fan of that much color. I wanted to also show you the hairline. I don't have this glued down, but I want you to see how it just pretty much perfectly blends in with my skin. You can't tell. You can probably, the lace on here is the hard lace. So you can glue it down or tack it down some type of way, but I don't think you would need to, because look how great that is. I mean, it's pretty perfect. Now this side, as you can see, the parting on here was very slim. It's very look. So what I did was I plucked the side that I thought I would wear the most, and I did not pluck the black side. So let's take a look at the burgundy side. And as you can see, the parting difference is like huge. And I probably over plucked this side a little bit. So I'm going to take some more hair out here. let's get this situated how I want it. And now, as you can see, you have the burgundy more on top. Yeah. And I figured that I would wear the burgundy side more than the black. So that's why I did all my alterations, obviously, on this side. But the good thing about this, even when you part it on this side, it doesn't take the cut off that much, if at all, which is pretty amazing. It didn't take the cut off. So the cut still had a nice angled cut here. So I thought that was really, really nice. So all in all, I really like this unit. I think the versatility of it is pretty great. It's not that expensive, I don't believe. So really for the price, you get 2 wigs in one. Because of the parting area, you can have, you know, a lot of color or only a little bit of color, depending on, you know, your color preference. The wig is pretty nice. Even though it's the hard lace, I sometimes, depending on the wig, like hard lace, it lays a little bit flatter to me. So I tend to like the hard lace, but the cut is real cute. The construction of the cap is good because if you use the combs, they have them directly on your temples, so that's really nice. I like it. It's great for the summer because it doesn't, you know, it just kind of grazes your neck. It doesn't actually sit on your neck, so it's not hot. I like the texture of the hair. I like the shine of the hair, and I like how the hair just, how it flows, if that makes sense. I like how it like actually, the cut, you can see how the cut is, the definition of the cut. You can see the definition. I like that. Now, keep in mind, I did curl mine. I did go in and curl the tips, but usually it would have just been, you know, flat, but I did go in and I did curl the tips on this. So, all in all, I like it. I'll leave all the information for purchasing and where I got this unit from in the description box below. If you have not, please consider subscribing to the channel. I bring videos a couple times a week, 2, sometimes 3 times a week on different styles. I love doing series, so a lot of times I'll do different series, but while I'm doing the series, I will throw in other videos as well. If you decide to share this video, which I do not mind, tag me in it. If it is on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, my name will be Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.
I don't even feel at home, but I keep my feelings low key, knocking me out.